First open Start and type Control Panel. Open Control Panel. Click on Hardware and Sound. Click on Sound. Open Recording tab. Select your mic and set as default. Press Apply and then OK. If that didn't work, right-click your microphone and select Properties. Open Levels tab. Raise a volume level and check if you can hear your mic. Press Apply and then OK. If that didn't work, open Start and click on Setting. Click on Privacy. Click on Microphone. Enable microphone access for this device. Enable Allow apps to access your microphone. Scroll down and check if your app can access your microphone. If it was disabled, just enable it. Enable this so that your desktop app can access your microphone. Now your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, open Start and type Device Manager. Open Device Manager. Expand audio input and output. Right-click your microphone and select Properties. Open Driver tab. Click on Update Driver. Click on Search automatically for driver. You can also click on Search for Windows Update. If that didn't work, click on Uninstall device. Now restart and your problem should be fixed.